Hello everyone! Welcome back to Wing Engine Rendering Mode Tutorial Series. Yesterday, we took a look at the support of Wing Engine, a comprehensive overview of the 3 rendering modes. Today, we will take a look at Wing Engine, the most basic rendering modes supported. That is, the rendering settings of side rendering. When we talk about the final selection, let's emphasize it again. Wing Engine can be reached on the web. One such top visual effects. Such a rendering engine. And we can T. With pixel streaming. Our underlying principle lies in entire. Such a rendering is developed by us. In WebGL, it is written based on WebGL. And most other products, they all use game engines. What about the bottom layer of the game engine? Is based on our 3D. 3D it a lot some advanced. Usage is not supported for exporting to WebGL, so they can only export to pixel streaming. There is no way to go directly to WebGL. Rendering on the web. Okay, let's take a look at if Wing Engine is derived. What are the most basic forms of end rendering? We also briefly introduced earlier. Wing Engine has 2 software. One is this editor, is that we can edit it, then we can move it. One is viewer. That's what we eventually deploy to customers. We also said our editors can also publish it for own use. So let's take a look first. The first mode of side rendering. Just as directly in the editor. To post a web link. Here we have posted it. Let's stop publishing first. Let's go through this process again. We click Publish. Then we select the first tab item here. It's called Publishing a Web Link. What about publishing the web link? Then we can directly see the basic settings for these web links. By default, we actually just click to start publishing. Of course, we have some advanced settings. We can go to the custom link. We can also log in. We can also control it with app. We are in the basic settings. We can also put iframes embedded into our own. Go to Other Code. Of course, we can also change it. We can all see it. Let's click to post. Let's open it up. Then we can see that there is a loading screen here. Right, if you need to go, replace this loading screen. It could also be here. It is Project OEM side. We click on the Project OEM to go. Replace these loading screens. So that's kind of the basic paradigm. It's in Wing Engine. Published directly as an external link. Of course, we use Light 3D for this one. Let's turn off Light 3D first. We set up Light 3D mode in last lesson. Well, load and choose first. Let's turn it off first. Save it. Let's refresh it again. So that was the first paradigm. Then we can see that we will. Directly, there is a loading screen like that. This time we are one-end rendering mode. We are on this web. You can open it in the browser. The reason why we are stuck now, is it because we opened two screens? Turn that off. Good idea. It will be slightly better. Sometimes this GPU has to be released. It takes time to release resources. We are in this web browser. You can also directly click on the full screen, ISC. So this is also possible. Play directly on the big screen. Okay, we just saw that. We made a change to our lighting 3D. Then it was updated directly here. This is what we released as WebDazzle. For such a property setting published by the web, that is, we can update the synchronization. That is, we update directly in real time. As soon as we save it, we will automatically update it. There is another way. It's a manual update. That means we write online. It requires a process. After we clicked on manual updates, let's update it. Okay, now suppose I want to change. Click on my location. Let's say I change the location of this building. We save after the change. Okay, you can see that at this time, it only shows that the save was successful. It's not going to change us. Posting the location of the project online. We can move it further away. It's not going to change us. Posting the location of the project online. Let's refresh it. Because we are still here, rendering two projects, it will definitely be slightly stuck. Okay, you can see that this location is still here. Why is that? Because we choose to update manually now. We need to take the initiative to click on the update. How about this? So we rate pretty good at separating current ones. Editorial environment and one of online environments. We don't need. If we want to simply edit first. Save a draft now. Let's not go to the editor. Just don't click to update. Okay, this is the first kind. One-side rendering release mode. That is, we publish directly in editors. What about the second one? As we said earlier, we can post it to viewers. Then viewers also clicks to publish. After installation, there will be a project code here. Item code. Because we have two projects. These two projects are used separately. It is these two project codes. What about new projects now? We will display a new item code. Let's copy this project code. Of course. The two projects are very similar. It doesn't matter. We'll deploy it again. We click on this item code, and then we click Start exporting. Of course, we have a deployment method here. We have different deployment methods. This is also convenient for me. It's me, you go and deploy it to your customers. When using different situations, because we are like us, sometimes it is deployed to customers. But the customer is not the final delivery. You can set an expiration date for an item. We're going in the final deployment mode here. Okay, let's click Export. It will calculate first one element of the entire project, and then finally export it. After exporting, our project is related to. This item code is bounded. We came to this on our side. This item code can be imported into the viewer. Okay, let's go here first. Because we already have it in front of us, we will. Let's label this again as a new one. Okay. Okay, then we'll import it here. Okay, then we import. After successful import, it will open automatically. What about after opening it? We have two options. The first option is, it's what we call CS mode. That is to say, we are now 1. Open in viewer. We can directly click on the full screen. So we're already here. Deployed on a computer. And then it just goes on. Of course, we can also turn it off. Then we can see this. It has automatically posted it for me. We can also open this link. Of course, we said earlier, we are behind cloud rendering, so are we. It can be opened through this link. But here we do not support cloud rendering. It's because we just didn't go. Check this option for cloud rendering. So opening is not supported here. You can see it. Okay, so these are the 3 modes of selection. One is to publish directly in the editor. What about the other one? Did we import it into viewers? Open it in software. What about the third one? It's us through the viewer. Published as an external link. There are 3 modes in total, okay? Today, we will learn the settings of the terminal selection, and that's it. Thank you very much.